What's up, my royal flesh? It is I, Jay Heart, the Queen of Hearts, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, girls, I'm about to do and recreate the Rain on Me. It's this Rain on Me inspired liner, graphic liner look that Ariana Grande wore in the video with Lady Gaga. And I'm going to be using the NORVINA cake liners, at least just one of them, the white one. So if y'all want to see that, then just keep on watching. But before you keep on watching, guys, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and join the royal flesh, the royal family, the royal court, girl. Also, right after the subscribe button, there is a bell notification button. Click that to be notified for all my future videos. We are growing, y'all. We are growing slowly, but we are growing. And girl, I'm trying to see 2K real soon, okay? Maybe 3K, but yeah. And at any point in this video, you guys are enjoying yourself. You guys are enjoying me. If you guys enjoyed the Rain on Me song, the video, if you guys enjoy NORVINA, ABH, the liners, ABH is going through something right now. If you guys enjoyed the NORVINA liners, then give this video a big thumbs up. And with all that being said, y'all, let's just get into this video. Okay, guys, so I'm going to take the NORVINA liners, and I want to take the white one right there and just follow that and just do a pretty much like, you know, like a cut crease graphic liner look. This is inspired by Ariana Grande from Rain on Me. I am late to the party, y'all, but it's perfectly fine because it's still a cute look. I was waiting for these liners to get in the mail anyway. These liners were taking so long to get to me in the mail. Like, I would never order directly from Anastasia website ever again. I heard people like that ordered them from Sephora got them faster, but I had to wait almost a month for these to come in. I'm really annoyed, but yeah, so pretty much that's what I'm doing right there, and I'm just going to just make sure that everything is perfect and seamless about them, like, you know, about this liner, and I'm going to go back also and just kind of go back in and just thicken up that line a little bit. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so I did one eye and I, like, you know, just winged it out just like how hers looked in the video, and I'm about to do the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back to get started on my base. Okay, y'all, so I'm done with my eyeliner, and I'm taking Patrick's powder, and I'm just setting my perimeters of my face. I'm about to use the TikTok little trend thing because I like the way my skin looks when I do that. And just set the rest of my face. I'm gonna use the Cover Face Blurring Primer just to blur out some of these pores. So I'm about to go in with the ABH Anastasia Beverly Hills foundations. I really love these foundations. I haven't worn them in a minute. I take the shades 440C, which was too dark for me, and I take the shades 370W, and I mix these two together just to get a okay shade that's pretty close to my skin tone. Mix them, I dot it around. I take the darker one that's too dark for me around the perimeters of my face, and then I take the one that is like my skin tone in the center. Okay, y'all, I'm about to take the Morphe Y6, and this is a flat top kabuki. I usually take the Makeup Shack brush. I usually take this one, the T40 brush, just because I like it because it's so sturdy and dense. But I'm about to just take another brush today just to try it out. And I'm about to just take that and blend this out. See if I like using a different brush. I did clean my brushes, y'all. I haven't cleaned my brushes in so long. When I tell y'all, it's been months.
Get your ass in some water. Let it hit. Lavender it up with salt.
It has been months. I don't clean my brushes often. And then I'll be wondering why I'm breaking out. Now I'm about to go in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer. I love this concealer, and this is the hydrating one. And then I have the camo one too. I think I'm gonna layer that on top and see how those look together. Okay guys, so I set my face with my Patrick's powder, and I am going to set the rest of my face, well, the perimeters. I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I'm going to dust this all over my face. This is the shade 320 Natural 10. I'm just going to set the perimeters of my face. I love this Fit Me powder. I'm gonna take my Dragon Fire, what is this called?
What the fuck is that?
My Dragon Beauty Face Press Palette. And I'm going to take this lighter shade right here, and I'm going to just contour with that. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to take the L'Oreal Bronze Please bronzer. I'm just gonna warm up my, skin tone a little bit. There we go. Damn. I'm gonna take a little ABH blush. This trio is called Peachy Love. Now, I pretty much added false freckles because I thought it would be cute. I don't know, I'm not really feeling them anymore. Kind of wish I didn't do that, but it's fine. It doesn't look really too bad. So I'm about to just take the ABH Dewy set, you already know, and just set my face. Yeah, so, ooh, ow. I'm gonna take my ABH liner and line the top half of my lashes just to hide my falsies. Okay guys, for lash glue, I'm going to take the Beat Gang Lash Glue. I like this lash adhesive. It's clear. You don't have to worry about it being white, black, anything, girl. It is clear. And I just like to paint it right on my lash line. A nice simple lash. These are the Dodo lashes in the style D316. These lashes are really, really pretty. You can definitely use my code JHeart for money off your order. So yeah, these lashes are so pretty, y'all. Period. Okay, period. The look is coming together. I'm going to take the Resi highlighter by ABH, and I'm going to take that on my Morphe brush. I'm just going to put that right here, right there, and just blend that out. I miss this highlighter. I wanted to make this video as ABH as I could. I just want to go in with my Diamond Bomb. Y'all should already know why. Because it's my favorite. Because it gives you that gleam, that sparkle. And I'm just about to do my signature lip, y'all. Now I'm about to take the Laneige Cosmetics lip gloss in Sanine. Okay guys, so I am back, and you know, I changed and whatnot, and this is my finished look. The look turned out really, really pretty. I went for a glowy skin summer vibe, pretty much, you know, nice soft freckles, and yeah, and these lashes really set the look because I didn't want to go too hard with the lashes. As y'all know, I definitely can, but I wanted the eyeliner to definitely pop and stand out. So yeah, this really isn't like a review video. That's why I didn't do swatches or anything. It was just me trying and testing it out. So yeah, so far I can say I really, really like these liners. At least the white one, I have no problems with it, no cracking. I've been moving my face like all day, no cracking, no nothing, and they're really, really cute. I cannot wait to try the rest of them. I have both stacks, by the way. I have electric. Oh, the stacks don't have names individually, but I have both stacks. So yeah, everything on my face will be listed down below. So yeah, this look turned out really, really cute, and I'm really happy with it. So yeah, you guys, if you guys did enjoy this video of me trying out and doing the Ariana Grande's recreation of like her look on Rain on Me, make sure y'all give this video a big thumbs up, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button right before you leave. And with all that being said, y'all, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.